When the sun sets over the Atlantic, one of America's most iconic cities transforms into a glowing, futuristic wonderland. Welcome to Miami, Florida, the Magic City. Known across the globe for its vibrant culture, stunning beaches, and world-class nightlife, Miami takes on a completely different personality after dark. Tonight, we're taking a breathtaking aerial tour high above the skyline to experience the dazzling lights, sleek architecture, and electric energy of midnight Miami. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. As our drone climbs higher into the warm coastal air, the towering skyscrapers begin to illuminate the night sky. The contrast between the deep Atlantic Ocean and the brilliant neon glow of the downtown buildings is nothing short of incredible. Miami's skyline is constantly evolving, making it one of the most dynamic and modern cityscapes in the entire United States. Look at the reflections shimmering across the water. Every light tells a story of a city that truly never sleeps.
Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer.
We are now cruising directly above downtown Miami and Biscayne Bay, the booming heart of South Florida's economy and high-rise living. Down below, the highways and causeways look like streams of liquid light. Millions of tourists and locals travel these roads every year to experience the world-famous dining, luxury living, and endless entertainment Miami has to offer. From up here, the flowing traffic creates a mesmerizing pulse that drives the city's nocturnal spirit. What sets Miami apart from other major American metropolises like New York or Los Angeles is its seamless fusion of ultra-modern glass architecture and tropical coastal beauty. Notice how the glass facades of these luxury high-rises reflect the glowing city grids below. Floating peacefully along the bay, you can see luxury yachts docked at the marinas, surrounded by calm, dark waters that stretch out toward the horizon.
You can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more.
From its world-renowned beaches to its stunning architectural nightscape, Miami continues to be one of the crown jewels of the United States. If you enjoyed this high-definition aerial journey through Miami at night, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more incredible drone tours across America. Drop a comment below and let us know which American city we should fly over next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Say it louder, say it louder. like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Oh, feel the moment, feel the power. Oh, bring the animal back to life. Oh, bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. Oh, you're the question, you're the answer. Oh, bring the animal back to life. Oh, bring the energy one more time. Oh, if you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Oh, feel the moment, feel the power. Oh, bring the animal back to life. Oh, bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. Oh, feel the moment, feel the power. Oh, bring the animal back to life. Oh, bring the energy one more time. Oh, if you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel
The illuminated bridges connecting downtown to Miami Beach and the surrounding islands look like glowing ribbons stretched across the ocean, while the streets below are alive with music, coastal breeze, and legendary nightlife. Viewing it from this aerial perspective gives us a rare moment of tranquility. It highlights the perfect balance of engineering, urban design, and natural coastal geography that makes South Florida so special.
gets you down, down, down.